Folks at home, Philadelphia Auto Show with Gavin and Chris. Yeah, buddy, don't spit in the vlog. So we're here at the the Pennsylvania Convention Center for the car show. We're gonna go check out some automobiles.
Oh, yes.
We'll tune you in, folks. We'll tune you in. We're at the dub section where they're dubbing it up, you know, rub-a-dub-dub. Mustang GT350, Hummer, Escalades, we got Lambos, we got everything. What do you need? Mercedes, Porsche, Subis, souped up Subarus. We even got a souped up 18-wheeler. Chris, what's going on, dude? What is it? What's up? Again?
Yo, what's up? My name's Kyle.
This is Kyle at the car show.
What up, man? You good?
Hello, man. All right. Good to meet you, dude. All right, man. That's nice. Huh? No. That's a cool picture.
It's faster, it's more agile, and it's more fuel efficient. There are 2 engine options for this.
Looking at this Range Rover Sport, and this is what I hear.
We came all the way from Buffalo.
Hold on, what did I hear? I hear somebody psh me. I turn around, this guy's psh me with his boy sitting there. They going psh me. What's up, man?
Good, yeah. How you doing?
Good, man.
Let's take a picture.
Yeah, man.
It's nasty. Oh, that's a, yeah, it like pops open.
What kind of car is that, Chris?
That's an Audi R8.
There we go. I guarantee I can sneak in there. All right, folks at home. This area right here is roped off, only for top-end clients. I think I'm a top-end client, so we're gonna try this. I got this guy kind of scoping, kind of close, so I gotta be careful. If you want to sneak in, you gotta be really good. You gotta wait till he walks away. When he walks away, you sneak in. Folks, we are behind the scenes at the new Rolls-Royce, checking out the new Rolls-Royce, another new Rolls-Royce. And we're just walking around where we're not supposed to be. Nice Bentley. That's nice. That is nice. These are beautiful. Beautiful cars. It's a shame that I'm not even supposed to be in here. All these people on the outside. Well, folks, I told you I would take you to the exotic cars. This is the exotic section. To get in, you either have to be invited or you have to sneak in like I did. See all these people that can't get in? Because they don't know that you can just simply sneak in over the railing. Wow. Woohoo! So let's get in a Rolls Royce. Can we get in one of these Rolls Royces here? Let me see. All right, so that's it for the Grand Tour. Maybe next year we'll come by and sneak in again. Yeah, this is for the Just the Vlog. Do you watch the Just the Vlogs?
No, I don't. I watch your pranks and everything.
Doesn't watch the Just the Vlogs. Doesn't even watch them. What's your name?
Barat.
Barat?
Yeah.
I'm here with Barat at the Philly Auto Car Show.
Am I gonna be in your vlog?
This is going to be on Just the Vlog. You got to go to my other channel.
That's awesome. Yeah.
Hey, Don. Hey, Don. Hey, Don.
Get it?
Hey, Don.
Give me one.
Hey, Don.
Hi, Don.
Hey, Don.
Hi, Don.
Hey, Don. Hey, Don.
Got it? Cool.
Thanks, man.
All right, man. Nice meeting you.
Love your videos.
Thanks, man.
Good.
Does this have the meat mall in it?
I'm sorry.
The meat mall?
I don't know.
Oh, no, I was asking him. Do you know? Take it again. I'm sorry. I wasn't looking at you. I was goofing off to the camera.
This is part of it.